Hello, and welcome to Ms. Noel's Creative Writing Google Classroom. In this video, I will be showing you the classroom I've built. First, to add a student, you can go to People, click this icon, type a student's name or email. A student can also add you by using the class code. Just like in any classroom, we start off with the introduction and the syllabus. In my introduction, I state a few hobbies, a little bit about myself, and express how excited I am to meet and teach new students. After introducing yourself to the students, you can also ask them to participate in an introductory activity. My introductory activity is a poem. I ask the students to watch the video attached and use it as inspiration. I ask them to write any kind of poem, adding humor, emotion, or wit. I also express that they can share what they are comfortable with. After your classroom community has a base, you can continue with materials, lessons, and assignments pertaining to your topic. Here's a sample of a lesson in my classroom. Alright, so we've been learning about narrative writing, and today our goal is to enhance and enrich by adding details to our stories. Here's a little clip of SpongeBob getting frustrated with writing.
Okay, Mr. Essay, I say, prepare to be written. I'm doing it. Yeah. Some of these, it's almost there. Done. Now let's see how it looks so far. Time.
So, we all have those moments, but hopefully with this lesson, we're gonna know how to write some really good short essay stories. Good writing comes from close observation of people, places, objects, and even art. After watching the lesson, you may assign activities to assess understanding. Setting a due date is important. This lets students know that the time between each lesson is to be used to learn as well as show what they've learned. Google Classroom is useful and flexible. This tool can be crucial for snow days as well as students who have missed school. There are many ways that you can use Google Classroom,